All about first estate. First estate is all about clergy members, religious people, and they lost about their they forgot about their responsibilities. So and they were leading luxurious life. Let's pay attention towards the second estate. The second estate, it was comprised of nobles and landlords. The nobles and landlords, people related to government. All these people were included in second estate. See the speciality of these people, what powers and how life and all about their life. These people lived the king size life or the luxurious life in the real sense. Okay, it was expected from them since they were the people of government. It was expected. They had king size lifestyle. 60% of land had been under their control, which was tax free. 60% tax free land was under the control of second estate, was under the control of nobles and landlords. They used to take the tax from people, that was called as tail. See the pronunciation of it is tail. What's tail? Tail means government tax to be taken from the common people by the government. Now the important question, objective question which may be asked to you in the form of what was the government tax in France taken by government called as, and that would be tail. So first was type, religious tax, and second is now tail, the government tax. This government tax was being taken by government from the people, and they too exploited people. But the speciality with these people was that, see, the religious people exploited sexually, and the second estate people, nobles and landlords, they exploited economically and made their lives miserable. The lives of common people have been made miserable. So let's move towards third estate. How was third estate? Who were included in third estate? See the third estate? All the common people, or you can say the leftover. First estate, religious people. Second estate, nobles and landlords. Now who are left? That leftover was included in third estate. These third estate people were common people in the form of, see for example, peasants, farmers, teachers, doctors, businessmen, lawyers, laborers, etc. Whoever are left over here, man, so all of them were included in third estate. Now see about this social structure. The life of common people was miserable, was full of hardships, was impossible to live. The survival in France for these common people had become difficult, and that's why they entered in French Revolution. It was very difficult for them to live life because of the conditions imposed on them. The life was miserable. 20% land was under the control of common people, and that was not tax free. That was taxed land. Yeah, see, T and L, taxed land. It was a taxed land. From this 20% land, tax was being taken by first and second estate. So other than tax on land, various taxes were being taken from the common people. You know why? Because the treasury of government was being maintained by means of taxes taken from common people. Other than that, there was no source of income for the government to look after administration. So various taxes had been taken by government from the common people, and all types of services had to be given by common people to first estate and second estate. In short, you can say the lifestyle of common people was not less than slaves. They were going through a bondage system. They had to give all types of services. For example, forced labor in the construction of roads, in the construction of buildings, in the construction of bridges. Everywhere they had been forced for that labor. Whether they were willing or not willing, that's a different question. And the laws for them were unjust. They were unjust. For example, see, it's talked about in France, the judicial system, it varied area to area, place to place. See, for example, if there is a theft, I'm telling you an example, what type of law system was there? If there was a theft at that time, by first estate, if a first estate member is involved in the theft, then he was being warned not to repeat it. This was the law for first estate. If the if the member of second state was involved in the same theft, अगर वही type की चोरी second state member, then the person had to give fine. Person had to same theft warning, same theft person had to give warning. Rich people were there, no? And if the same theft was being committed by the member of third state, fine plus punishment. Fine was being taken, and the punishment in the form of public punishment. A person used to be flogged. A person used to be flogged in front of society, in front of people, so that the same crime should not be repeated. They used to set an example. Yeah, they used to set an example so that common people should be under their control. Now see, let's compare them with one another. Let's compare first and second state with third state. First of all, about first and second state. See, about first and second state. In the total population of France, the contribution of first and second state was only 4%. Means out of 100 people, only 4 people were of first and second state. Can you imagine? Only 4% population was from first and second state. The specialty with these people again, PBB, let's see, they did not have to pay any kind of taxes. They did not have to pay any kind of taxes. Then they had special political and economic powers. Then they were governed by separate laws. And these PBB means they had privileges by birth. They had special privileges by birth. It means that if somebody gets birth in first state, would naturally get all those privileges. If somebody gets birth in second state, would naturally get all those privileges. They had privileges by birth. Now see about third state. In the total population of France, 96% population was of third state. Imagine. They had no powers. They had no place in administration as well. They had no powers, no economic powers, no political powers, and especially they had no place in administration. Now see the contradiction, how ridiculous it was. 96% people were giving taxes for 4% people, and 80% land was under the control of 4% people. Imagine, 80% land was under, see, 20 plus 60. 80% land was under the control of first and second state. Means 80% land was being controlled by 4% people, and only 20% land was being controlled by 96% people. On 20% land, these people were giving taxes, whereas 80% land of the France was tax free. Anyways, dear children, this was all about social structure of France. I hope you understood. Please read the social division, social structure of France, and please keep learning, keep studying, keep finding out the objectives. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.